Autotrace Solidworks command. This command makes that when inserting the image, SolidWorks itself already makes the stroke automatically. This is very simple. Just click on Generate Sketch, then click on Search command and type image. Then just drag the command to the command bar so that it always stays there. Then just click on the command and choose the image you want. After inserting the image, this blue dotted line will appear with a pink arrow at the tip. It will regulate as you want the image to be. Drag the tip with a pink dot on the left to the point you want, then drag the pink arrow on the left. Right also for the stitch you want. Now just type the measurement and this line length dash blue dot will be width as you typed. Now it's just OK. Then we will have to enable the Autotrace command, as SolidWorks does not come with the command enabled. To do this, click on the little arrow on the right side of the gear, then click on Supplements and enable the Autotrace function. Now double-click on the image, click on the arrow to advance, and select this last tool. It will enable that you select a point of the image with a certain color, and it will do the tracking automatically. Now just click on Start Tracking, and adjust the tools that appear just below according to your image. And it will also depend on the quality of the image you have inserted. The more quality, the better it will be. Keep adjusting until you find the best possible layout. I hope you liked it. If you want to watch a more detailed class on the Autotrace command, I'll leave the link here in the video description, so you will become an Autotrace expert. A big hug. Goodbye.